guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my fidgets. This is all of them in here. Well, I have more, but... So we're going to start off with puppets. First puppet is a unicorn. I really like this one. This is my doggy. Jack, move please. I'm trying to do a video. I have this one. Second, I have a cat one. I think she's really cute. Sparkly one. I'm going to show you my favourite pocket for last. I like this. And rainbow star. This one glows in the dark. But it's just like white. I think that's all my puppets. Now my favourite puppet is for last. This ice cream is like my best one. It's my favourite. Now I'm going to show you my little puppets. I don't know what this is. It's not an elephant. Is it a ship? I don't know. Well, this one's Mickey Mouse. A little heart, I love that. Bear. Puppet bracelet. And puppet fidget spinner. This is kind of a puppet. You have to pop them in and then go. I think it's satisfying. Yep. Second up, this. Lights up. Red and pink. Red and blue. Red and I meant to say red. Oh wait, I forgot to show you this puppet. It's Primey. One of my brothers gave it to me. By the way, I have a lot of brothers. I forgot his name. I forget my brother's name. This was my first homemade squishy. It's homemade. I just Roblox on it. It's not. I don't think it's very good. But now I'm better. Now I'm going to show you all my squishies. My favourite one first is this cat. Ew. What the hell? Sorry, time filing. This one. This one. Unicorn. Squishy. This is one of my favorites. It's a tiny Nido. I don't know where my big Nido is. Here's a panda. But by the way, in the next video I'll be showing you my makeup. This next one is gonna be stretchy. This is a poop. The face has rubbed off of it, but where you can see it's had eyes. I just don't know. Stretchy unicorn. Scratchy green thing. And scratchy caterpillar. Stretchy, I don't know what this is. Crocodile or alligator? Stretchy, little pop tube. This is what I like doing. Pretending they're my nails. It just like cracks my brother up when I show him. I've literally got a pile of fidgets here. These are all the ones I showed you. That's a lot. thing. It's a panda and it squishes. Lol. I didn't know that lol. Help. Okay. I really like this. I think it's really cool. And last but not least, this is one of my slimes. I don't know where my other slimes are. Well, that's all of my fidgets, to be honest. And I'll see you in the next video to make my makeup. I'm doing it in a bit because I'm going to go and eat breakfast. Bye!